Hi guys, today I'm going to show you how to make a really delicious peach upside down cake. So to start off, we're going to slice our peaches. So all I'm doing is I'm going around the stone, I'm going to split it in two, and then the part with the stone in it, I'm going to cut that in half again, remove the stone, and cut each quarter into about 2. So in the end, we're cutting these into about 12. So to prepare the bottom of our dish, we're going to pour some melted butter into the pan, and then I'm going to sprinkle over a bit of sugar. Now this is going to create a really delicious caramel stickiness to our cake. So next we're going to line those peaches around in a ring on top of that butter, and these peaches are going to go really soft in that butter and it's going to be delicious. So to make the cake, it's as simple as butter and sugar into a bowl. We're going to beat that with an electric mixer for about 5-10 minutes until it's really light and fluffy. We're going to crack in 3 eggs, mix that through. Then we're going to go in with some self-raising flour and a bit of bicarb soda. Again, fold that through. If it's a bit thick, you can loosen it down with a bit of milk. Otherwise, whack it straight on top over your peaches. Then you want to just spread that out a little bit. And then we're going to bake that at 180 degrees for about 18 to 22 minutes. You're going to be springy on top and cooked all the way through. And that is pretty much it. It's such a simple dessert. Super quick, super last minute. Definitely give this one a go. Thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure you give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed. If you're not already subscribed, please do so. You can click here to see my last video and here to see the video randomly selected by YouTube for you.